Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to join a party in Stumble Guys. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive straight into the video. To join into a party on Stumble Guys, first go ahead and look for this party button on the right hand corner of the screen. You will then see two options in the display. You can create a party for yourself or join into an existing party. If you choose to create a new party and let your friends join in, simply go ahead and tap on either normal game or the custom game option. You can now go ahead and choose the maximum number of players in your party. Select the round preferences, select maps for your party, and after you are done, tap on create at the bottom right. Now you've created a custom party. You can now add friends by tapping the add friends button on the right hand side of the screen, enter the player's name and invite them to your party. The next thing you'll need to do is to share the room code mentioned at the bottom left corner of the screen. You can also share this room code to your friends and use it on Discord, WhatsApp, Twitter, email, messaging or any other application. Once your friend have joined the party, you can tap on the play button at the bottom right hand corner and you should be able to start the party. Wait for your players to join in and there you'll be able to create a party and play with your friends. If you want to join into a party on Stumble Guys, simply go ahead and select the join party option. You'll need to now enter the room code that your friend has provided to you and tap on join in order to join into the party. That is how you can easily join into a party in Stumble Guys. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.